I stand tall, a tree, a silent witness to the passage of time. My roots dig deep into the earth, anchoring me while I drink in the nutrients and water that sustain life. Each ring in my trunk tells a story of seasons past, of storms weathered and sunlight embraced. I provide shelter for countless creatures. Birds build their nests in my branches, while insects find refuge in my bark. My leaves dance in the wind, converting sunlight into energy, a process called photosynthesis, which not only fuels my growth but also produces the oxygen you breathe. In autumn, I wear a vibrant cloak of colors, a final farewell before shedding my leaves, preparing for the quiet of winter. I am more than just wood and leaves. I am a vital part of the ecosystem, a symbol of resilience and life itself. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel.